First, let's connect our wallet. So once the wallet is connected, we can either become a user or a expert trader. So first, let's go with the expert trader on onboarding. So here we need to enter the profile of the trader. So I'm gonna name it cat trader. I'm gonna choose a PFP for the profile. So now we are gonna register your trader account on chain. So after we confirm the transaction, yeah. So now we see that the transaction is submitted and the profile is created. Cool. So now we see this is a profile. So before we get started, we need to mint credentials to prove our credibility to the users. That's only then the users can trade my position. So I'm going to click on this to mint the credentials. So I have two wallets that have a credible social reputation and good trading activity on GMX. I'm going to use these wallets to mint my credential. Yeah, so based on my trading activity, I got a score of 57 and A7 for my social reputation. So I'm now gonna click confirm and mint credentials to actually mint them on chain. So I'm gonna click on start. Yes, the information is saved. Now I'm gonna mint issue a credential for my GMX trading reputation, and I issue a credential for that as well. Now that I have issued all these both these credentials, I need to verify them to actually use them in my app. Verifying a credential is important, and now I'm triggering the action to verify my GMX trading reputation credential. So in the future, I would allow multiple credentials to be supported, even third-party credentials to be verified in my app, so that I don't have to rely on myself as a sole issuer and verifier for the credentials. Perfect. So now that I have one credential verified, I'll be able to uh, start posting my trades and get users to use my trade. And before that, I'd like to create a user account so that we can see how the trade gets executed in the user side once. Now I'm gonna go to the user side. Cool. So I could see that my account is here and I don't have any trade actions set yet. And I'm currently in blue pill mode, which is good because all of the trade actions would be executed. I could switch between modes here. Cool. So now that I have this account set, I need to deposit some funds here. Cool. So now I'm depositing zero point 0.1 ETH to this wallet. So this wallet is gonna be used for trading. All right. So now that it is set, I switch my wallet. So now I'm gonna post my trade. So I'm gonna click manual mode, select the DEX, GMX, and the trading pair is gonna be ETHUSD and Arbitrum. And this is all the pre-filled data to make the demo faster. And I'm gonna choose a file to depict the image of the trade position that I just took. So this is the image describing it. So this image would be fed as a context to the AI to understand the trade position better than just this. So now you could see that the AI agent has started an analysis. Yeah, so here you can see the market candles is being fetched from GMX and the crypto panic API. I'm getting the crypto news to get the social sentiment of the trade, and I can see all the logs here of my analysis. And I'm using SuperVec to fetch the uh, response from a RAG model. And based on all this, it came up with a confidence risk to reward long-term score and the market strength for this. And now that the AI is recommending not to execute this trade, but we're going to execute the trade for the demo. Yes. So now let's go to the user side, see the transaction hash. So now that we switch to the user's wallet, and yeah, so here we see the trade action being made by the chef with the chef ID, and it's a long position. It's ongoing. It's an expected PNL of 10, and by clicking here, I can see the hash and all the details of the transaction here. And yeah, so that's it with the demo. Hope you liked. Thank you.